Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Right, it's been quite a while since I've made a dish that was suitable for vegetarians. So I figured today I would do a curry which is suitable for vegetarians. It is a Saag Paneer, Saag being the spinach, Paneer being cheese. It's a wonderful creamy dish that's not too spicy, full of flavour. If you don't fancy the cheese, you can always change it for chicken or seafood and the likes. So if you want to know how to cook it, follow me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I've got the spinach here. I'm just going to put it into hot water until it wilts down. Excuse me. I have 180 grams of spinach here. Excuse the noise. I'm just going to put that in hot water, cook it down for a few minutes, not a few minutes, a few seconds even, just so it wilts down. And I'm going to add 2 green chillies, fresh green chillies as well. So just a few seconds until this wilts, and then what we'll do is we'll take that out of there and cool it off in cold water, and then we'll get on with cooking browning off the paneer. Okay, so that's the spinach wilted down. It just took literally a few seconds. Okay, so in a non-stick frying pan I will put a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And then I will add the cheese, which is about 230 grams of paneer. So we'll just brown that cheese off. So you don't have to do this stage. You can just add it in as it is at the end. But I prefer to brown the cheese off a little bit first. Just gives it a nicer texture. As you can see, it doesn't take long, a few seconds. Okay, that's the paneer nicely browned. We'll put it to one side and we'll add it to the curry towards the end. Okay, so that is the cheese put to one side. Now what you didn't see off camera was, because I didn't have any room, I have blitzed the spinach and those 2 chilies up into like a thick sauce. Added a little bit of water because it's a little bit too thick, and again put that to one side. What I'm going to do now is just add finely diced onion. Cook those down. Just cook these down for a minute or so, then I'm going to add 2 diced tomatoes. Okay, and in go diced tomatoes. We'll just cook these down. On a medium heat. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, or minced garlic should I say, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Let those cook in. Then I'm going to add the spices, which is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Oh, those colours. Now if If yours goes a bit dry like mine, just add some water, a little touch of water to stop it sticking. And just continue to cook it down. The aroma that's coming off this is fantastic. Just keep adding little bits of water, not too much if it starts to catch. Okay, that's the mix nicely cooked down. Still a little bit moist because I put a bit more water in. Just let that cook in. And then we're going to add the cheese. And you're probably wondering, Tony, where have you put the spinach? Well, the spinach is about to go in now. I don't put the spinach in too soon because the longer you cook it, the less green it is. It loses a lot of its green pigment, and it's an absolute vibrant green. I can assure you, you'll see when I put it in. So it's best keeping it towards the end. Okay, so in goes the cheese. And now in goes this wonderful spinach. Look at that colour. Isn't that amazing? I think it's rare that you'd get a dish so green, I have to say. But that is just, you have to say, it is stunning. At least I think so. Now then, need to add a bit of water and we'll cook it down for about 10-15 minutes, just to let it all cook in and harmonise with each other. Okay, it's been cooking now for about 10 minutes. A lot of the excess water that was in the spinach has probably cooked down and evaporated. So it's now time to dish up. Okay, my friends, it's time to dig in. Excuse me. Oh God, that's lovely. It's lovely, creamy. It's actually spicier than I expected. But it's creamy with the cheese. It's that's a really strong flavour of spinach, but it's lovely. It marries really well with that cheese. Yes, it is quite spicy. You don't need to put, if you're going to put the two chilies in with the spinach, but you don't have to. Maybe not put the chili powder in with the rest of it. Or if you want it spicy, you can do. But I think traditionally, I don't know if it's really a spicy dish. All that's left to say is please like, comment and subscribe. If you can do, that would be massive. And I will see you in the next video. So peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.